Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I first of all would like to thank everyone that participated in our first ever nail art subscription box. We are so grateful for how well this first box turned out. We did twice as many boxes as we thought we would do, and it was just a really huge success. So we're really excited to start this subscription journey with you. We will be making this a monthly thing, so there will be a box for January. Details for that will be coming to you soon, and you will be able to sign up online and just be able to sign up as a subscription one time so that you don't have to do it every month. It'll just happen automatically for you, but we're just working out the logistics for that, and as soon as we get it all figured out, you will be the first to know. So today I have one of our boxes. I have no idea what's in here. We did do, I believe there were 5 or 6 different little combinations of things that went into these, just different colors and whatnot. So I will be doing an unboxing video and then show you how to use all of the products that we gave you in these videos and give you some ideas of sort of different little things that you can do. So this month was sweater weather, so everything in this box has to do with sweater nails and different sort of winter fun sweatery kind of looks that you can create. So I will get into opening this up, and once again, thank you for supporting us in this box journey. Alright, so first off, for these vinyls, you can put down any kind of base color that you want. For this first one, I'm using one of the glitters that came in my box, which was the Gaudy But Gorgeous. And then I am just giving that a full cure so that I can lay these vinyls on top. Now, I'm going to admit to you, this is the first time I have ever used vinyls like this in my life. So there was a little bit of a learning curve with first getting them off of the actual paper itself, and then also with laying them down. I was having some issues with them sticking, but I did kind of figure things out as I was going. I found using the silicone tool to actually push the vinyls onto the nail worked really well, kind of prevented getting any of my finger oils on there also. And then I was playing around with a couple different things here. So first off, I tried out the What's Up polish. I did find it actually worked pretty well. I did have to do a little bit of cleanup afterward. I just used an angled brush and the LE cleanser, which is basically just acetone. And that worked really well. And then for the second one, I decided to try out the Light Elegance buttercreams. So I did like the look of the buttercreams better. It's a little bit thicker, so I had a little less running with the polish. I did have one little area I had to clean up because I couldn't get the vinyl to lay flat, but with practice, these vinyls are really awesome. I really love this whole knit your own sweater idea. I think it's really cute. And yeah, I'm honestly really impressed with these, so like these a lot. And then next up is the slick pour, and I've already had a ton of questions about this stuff. There's a lot that you can do with it. We do have some other videos on slick pour, but for this video in particular, I will show you how I'm using it with the vanilla to create a sweater nail. So in my kit, I got Free Fall, which is a really light baby blue. And because I am using a fake hand, I got frustrated trying to pour it on, and I did just end up dipping the finger in there. I would never do this with an actual client. I would transfer some of this powder into a small jar that I could then mix into the vanilla to do my sweater look. But again, because this isn't a real hand, I'm not really worried about cross-contamination. So to get my base layer, I've laid down first and last, and then I'm just dipping this, and you get a nice even coverage base layer. And I am curing quickly in between as well. And after my second coat's applied, I am doing a full 2-minute cure. And then I'm just giving that a good dust off with a dust brush here, just to get rid of any extra powder, and then laying down some flat mat on top of it to start my sweater nail. And again, full cure on the flat mat as well. So with the slick pour, if you mix it with vanilla, which is our more natural looking gel, we have tried this. We found we get a really good cure on the acrylic with the vanilla. And I'm gonna say about half and half, but it really depends on the consistency, first of all, that you like to work with, and also just how warm your shop is. Obviously, if it's warmer, the vanilla will be thinner. But I'd start with about a half to half ratio and go from there. And then all I'm doing is literally just laying this down how I want it to go. I am using the block brush from the Selena Ride Art set right now, and I found that just dipping my brush in a little bit of afterwipe to maneuver the kind of 3D gel, if you will, that I've made here afterward works really well. Then my bristles aren't sticking into the gel at all. It moves it around really nice. It's almost like similar to how the poly gels have that like slick liquid that they use so that you can move it around. It's really similar idea here. So I am doing kind of that cable knit pattern down the middle of the nail here. So really all it is sort of a bunch of like S shapes down the nail, and just curing quickly in between so that if I do end up touching something as I'm moving down, I don't end up ruining my design. And then once I've reached the bottom, just coming back up to the top and adding just a little dot for the beginning of a stitch, and same thing at the bottom here for the end. And then you can really do whatever kind of pattern you like all over the nail, same idea. And then again, just finishing it off with a quick dusting of the slick pour. And now the other way that you can use the slick pour for the kind of sweater nail look is doing almost a sugar with it. So I'm using some Mission Control gel paint here. Any tack-free gel paint will work for this though. And then just pouring the powder over top and giving it a full cure. And then you can get like your 3D sweater look, or you can do more of like the velvet or like sugared look for a sweater as well. So both really quick and easy, effective ways to use that slick pour. And last but not least, I just wanted to show you how amazing these new plates are from What's Up, and also the square stampers from Uber Chic Beauty. I will mention these What's Up Nails plates do have a clear film on them. So if you get your plate and you think it's not working, try peeling the clear film off. I know usually they're colored. These ones happen to be clear. And then these square stampers from Uber Chic are really great. And if you haven't tried the What's Up Nails polishes yet, you need to. They are so well pigmented. I did not speed up this stamp for you so that you can see how slowly I moved. I even kind of messed up scraping the stamp a little bit. I did everything I possibly could do wrong in this video. I was slow. I showed you the picture on the stamp. I did nothing quickly here, and it still turned out beautifully. I had no issues transferring my stamp onto the nail, even though this was probably one of the slowest stamps I've ever done. And then I just wanted to show you as well, I just threw a quick top coat on here. I like super shiny over my stamps. You can use whatever you like. Gave that a quick wipe. And then we got these really awesome little jade stones. They're for eyelash glue, but they work really well for nail glue as well. It helps, I don't know what it is about them, but the jade of them helps the glue not dry out fast. And it doesn't get, that way you have something that you can put your glue on that you're not going to worry about ruining. And then we did also get these little rhinestone pickers as well, pretty much a knockoff of the katana, but they're way more affordable. So just throwing a few quick rhinestones on here just so that I could show you that this katana works really well. And that's everything that we had in the box for you this month. So thank you again so much to everyone that supported this first box, and we are so excited to bring you January's box. I hope that you are just as excited as we are, and details about that are coming to you soon. Have a great day.